Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to your favorite crypto corner. Today we are diving into a potential massive opportunity known as Tuebor Coin. This coin is specifically designed for the firearms industry and it's created by industry professionals who know exactly what the space needs. This coin aims to provide a decentralized, secure, and ATF-compliant ecosystem for transactions, product tracking, and regulatory compliance. It's a two-way industry token that successfully solves major industry problems using blockchain technology, and it's also supporting 2A charities. Also, this is the first project of its kind to be talked about on my channel, so you definitely don't want to miss. And with that being said, guys, let's dive into what Tuebor Coin is all about. Their mission is to create a decentralized and secure platform for the firearms industry. With this, they're ensuring safe and compliant tracking of firearms manufacturing and building an industry-owned payment gateway. Developed with blockchain tech, this cryptocurrency is aimed at tackling the specific needs of the firearm industry. As I said, it's fully designed to maintain compliance with ATF regulations, offering an immutable, decentralized, and open source platform that stays true to the core values of the industry. This is a comprehensive solution that helps businesses operate smoothly, safely, and in full compliance with industry standards. And by integrating this platform, they're offering a more secure and transparent future for finance in the firearms space, putting control in the hands of the community where it actually belongs. Now let's dig into the utility and real-world applications of Tuebor Coin. The platform offers a blockchain-based system that tracks firearms from manufacturing to sale, which is key for Department of Defense contracts, material certificates, and origin verifications. As I said, guys, this system ensures that each transaction is ATF compliant and secure, which is providing a solid foundation for businesses in the firearms industry. On top of that, Tuebor Coin also includes a peer-to-peer payment gateway that operates independently of traditional financial institutions. It's all about maintaining control within the industry so businesses can be confident that their records are secure, compliant, and unchangeable thanks to its encrypted public ledger. This decentralized approach not only helps with regulatory compliance but also strengthens security by safeguarding against fraud and data breaches. So technically, guys, with this coin, businesses get peace of mind knowing that their data is secure, transactions are compliant, and the platform helps ensure the integrity of every transaction. But guys, what stands out here is the incredible growth that this coin experienced since launch. In just 24 hours from launch, the market cap soared to $6.1 million, which is signaling huge market interest and validating their mission. And by looking at the TBR price now, we can also see an impressive increase of over 15% over the past month, which shows a solid bullish trend. The market cap currently sits at around 4.64 million, which is more than stable, and combined with the price movement, it's clear that this coin is holding its value well while expanding. What's massive here is that the 24-hour trading volume of 6.23k is up by more than 150%, which is indicating increased trading action and growing attention from investors. The volume to market cap ratio is at 0.13%, which is typical for smaller cap coins but shows healthy market dynamics and enough room to grow. And with a capped total supply of 1 billion, there is no risk of inflation from an increasing supply, which is a key factor in maintaining long-term value. With this coin, you will get access to benefits like passive income through staking, increased financial freedom, and access to exclusive community events. The chance to shape the future of this gem is in the hands of the community, and this is a huge opportunity to make a real impact. As you can see, they're listed on major platforms and are literally everywhere with their ongoing marketing campaigns across social media and news outlets. The hype is beyond real, guys, and now is the perfect time to get in before Tuebor Coin really takes off. As the project continues to grow, the momentum keeps building and it's looking more and more bullish every day. So if you're ready to jump in, check out their website for more details, become part of their fast-growing community, and secure a spot in this exciting venture before Tuebor Coin skyrockets. Seriously, guys, don't miss out, as this could be your chance to get in early on a true game-changing project. This is your favorite altcoin gem finder signing off.